Hello students, so today I will be discussing mathematics for the students of class 10 and I shall be discussing exercise 4.1. In the last video we have already discussed about the standard form of quadratic equation, and the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now in the previous video we have discussed only half part of exercise 4.1. Now let us proceed further with exercise 4.1. In question number 2, it is given that we have to represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. So let us solve the first problem. So first problem is given as the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Now in the question, length and breadth is not mentioned. So first what we will do in the solution, first we will write the given part. So given is area of rectangular plot, which is 528 meters square. Now since length and breadth is not given, so we will consider let the breadth of the plot be x meter. In the question it is also mentioned that length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So the length will be twice its breadth, means 2 into x, and in addition to it there is 1 more. Okay, so the length will be 2x plus 1 meter. Now from the given part, area of rectangular plot equals to 528 meter square. Now we know area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So here we will write length into breadth equals to 528. Now we have considered the length to be 2x plus 1. So we will write in place of length 2x plus 1 into, in place of breadth we will substitute x, equals to 528. Now we will multiply 2x plus 1 with x. First we will multiply 2x into x, which will give us 2x square, plus x into 1 x. Then we will bring 528 to the left hand side of the equation. So it will become minus 528 equals to 0. And we will represent this as equation number 1. Now from this equation we can say that it is in the form of quadratic equation. Because if you compare it, it is in the form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we can say that equation 1 is in the form of quadratic equation where x is breadth in meters of the plot. Now let us consider another problem, number 4. So the question is, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So since speed of the train is not given, we will consider let the speed of the train be x km per hour. Now time taken to cover 480 km equals to 480 by x hour. Now how this is 480 by x? See, we know time is equals to distance by speed. Then condition is given that if the speed is 8 km per hour less, if the speed is 8 km per hour less, then in that case the speed will become x minus 8 km per hour. So to cover this distance, so same distance, if the speed is 8 km per hour less, then time taken will be 3 hours more. So in that case, time taken to travel 480, because distance is same. So same 480 km, time taken will be, now see, we have already found out the speed as 480 by x. Now this time in this case time taken will be 3 hours more. So we will add plus 3. So now our time will be 480 by x plus 3 hours. Now we know, since we have to find the distance, we know that speed into time is distance. Now in place of speed, we will write x minus 8. We have already found out x minus 8 into time. We have 480 by x plus 3. So here we have written 480 by x plus 3 equals to, distance is 480. Now we will open up the bracket. First we will multiply x with 480 by x plus 3 minus 8 into 480 by x plus 3 equals to 480. So let us see the solution. So 480 plus 3x minus 3840 by x minus 24 equals to 480. Now we will take x as the x, then it will become 480x, then plus 3x squared minus 3840 minus 24x equals to 480. Now it will be Now in this you see we have subtracted 24x from 480x. So we got 456x plus 3x squared minus 3840 equals to 480 into x. X we have taken to the right hand side. Now we have just rearranged 3x squared plus 456x minus, we have brought 480x to the left hand side. So it will be now minus 480x minus 3840 equals to 0. So after calculation we found out 3x squared plus 456x minus 480x will give us minus 24x, and here we have minus 3840 equals to 0. We will mark this as equation 1. Now if we look at equation 1 carefully, it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now equation 1, therefore we can say that equation 1 is in the form of quadratic equation where x is the speed in km/h of the train.